Today I would like to show you how the high-sprees SAS200 system enables the production of pet sticks, pet strips, salami sticks, and jerky strips at any facility that already has a rotary filler. The pet food and protein snacks market is currently growing faster than the traditional meat segment. Pet owners are willing to pay for high-quality, protein-rich, functional products. Most importantly, this segment does not require refrigerated display. Pet sticks and pet strips are shelf-stable products. They can be stored at room temperature for up to 6 months. This means simple logistics, no product returns, and high turnover. The economics here are completely different from traditional sausage production. No casing reduces production costs. Fast drying lowers energy consumption. Small packaging increases the price per kilogram of finished product. An average retail pack of 70 to 100 grams corresponds to approximately 25 to 35 euros per kilogram. This is a high-margin segment. Now the key question: how to implement this in practice? The SAS200 is a universal forming and cutting module that easily connects to rotary fillers such as Handman VF200, VF600, including VF620, as well as RX and other vacuum fillers. Connection takes minimal time and does not require equipment modification. Using the supplied cable, the system is connected to the filler's clipping interface. A rigid pipe connects the module to the sausage outlet of the filler. After that, the SAS200 automatically controls the filler in start/stop mode. The system synchronizes and operates as a single integrated unit. This is exactly how we connected the module to a RX filler at the PATS exhibition in Birmingham together with our UK dealer. At the IFFA exhibition in Frankfurt, we demonstrated the system together with our own vacuum gear filler, the VGF200. If you do not have a suitable rotary filler, you can use our 200-liter vacuum gear filler with a hydraulic loader. This is a complete turnkey solution. The operator's task is simple. Set the portion length on the control panel, load empty trays, remove filled trays. All forming and cutting synchronization is performed automatically. Forming is done completely without casing. Neither collagen nor natural casing is used. The system forms the product directly into the tray. An automatic guillotine cuts it to the set length. An integrated knife moistening system ensures a clean cut and stable operation. Capacity is up to 200 kilograms per hour in the standard configuration. Actual output depends on product diameter and tray handling speed. By the way, we also manufacture the trays ourselves, size 900 by 500 millimeters. These are stainless steel mesh trays with a non-stick coating specifically designed for casing-free forming. They are installed in our racks with external dimensions of approximately 1 by 1 by 2 meters. Structurally, they are similar to standard smoking racks. The key difference is the increased number of levels. This allows more trays per rack and increases drying capacity in your existing chamber without replacement. After forming, the rack is sent to drying. After moisture removal, about 50% of the initial mass remains. The result is a dense, concentrated, shelf-stable product. For pet treats, moisture can be reduced to about 30% of residual mass. This increases shelf life and makes the product firmer. If you want to go further, the system can be upgraded to the fully robotic FARS200 version. This complex includes our 200-liter vacuum gear filler with a hydraulic loader. The robot automatically loads empty trays and removes filled ones. The system is still operated by one person, but the operator does not need to stay at the line continuously. While the 200-liter hopper is being loaded, the operator can perform other tasks. The robotic module operates autonomously. In other words, you start with the module and expand as production volumes grow. Now about flexibility. Today you produce 10 mm diameter pet sticks for training treats. Tomorrow you install a 20 mm die and produce chew sticks. Or switch to a flat die and produce pet strips that break easily by hand. Same system, same operator, only the die and program change. For human products such as salami sticks and jerky strips, the principle is the same. The difference is only in formulation and drying regime. For fermented products, chamber temperature up to 30 degrees Celsius and a longer cycle. For thermal processing, standard smoking or cooking chamber at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. At the same time, you use the same infrastructure, the same cutters, the same grinders, the same drying chambers. The SAS200 does not require construction of a new facility. It is a module integrated into the existing production chain. After drying, the product length corresponds to the length of flow pack packaging. With gas-flushed packaging, you obtain a ready-to-sell shelf-stable product. We can also offer a robotic packaging system. Dried sticks are transported via conveyor to a dosing station and automatically packed into gas-flushed flow pack with precise weight control. This is a complete production chain. Now about raw materials. For pet food, beef, poultry, fish, mixed formulations, and mechanically separated meat, MSM can be used. Functional recipes with joint support additives and vitamins are also possible. The SAS200 does not limit formulations. Only proper consistency and a uniform particle size of 2 by 2 to 3 by 3 millimeters are required. This is a technologically predictable process. We cooperate with technology partners in Europe. During project launch, specialists can be involved to adapt recipes to your raw materials. If you are just starting, you can begin with the semi-automatic RK50U system. If you already have production volume, the SAS200 provides industrial scale performance. One more important point. Products without casing dry faster, less time in the chamber, lower energy consumption, faster rack turnover. This accelerates the production cycle. Now about warranty and service. Our dealer centers provide full warranty support during the warranty period and after-sales service, including upgrades and software updates. The system uses industrial delta controllers housed in an independent electrical cabinet. The pneumatic preparation components are the same type used in Komatsu industrial equipment, indicating high durability and reliability. The electrical cabinet is equipped with a special drying system that creates a controlled microclimate for electronics in humid production environments. Reliability is built into the design. In summary, the SAS200 is not just a forming module. It is your entry tool into the fastest growing segment of the meat industry: pet sticks, pet strips, and protein snacks. You already have the equipment, you already have the infrastructure, you already have drying capacity. The SAS200 allows you to monetize it in a new format. No casing, no complex integration, no capital construction. We built the system, now you generate the profit.